presentation, I'll show you how to make these wonderful strawberry cornbread muffins. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is the strawberry cornbread. It's a sweet cornbread, and it's down in the South, way down in the South. Yes, indeed, y'all. That's where I live, in the South of Mississippi, y'all. We got in here cornbread meal, self-rising, and self-rising flour. I always like to use Seal Lily. It's a good cornbread mix and a good cornbread flour as well. Cornbread mix and a good flour. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Just bear with me, y'all. I should have had this out, but I did not have it out. But now I got it. It's white lily cornmeal mix, self-rising flour, and self-rising cornmeal, excuse me. And it's a white lily self-rising flour as well. Let me show you that one, y'all. Alright, I got this in the refrigerator. I keep mine in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. And this is a self-rising flour, the light baking flour. This is a wonderful flour to do your baking. If you want to make a cake, you don't have to put in baking soda, baking powder. All this is mixed for you. You just use your imagination and fix it. And this is a Seal Lily flour, the light baking flour. I love to use that. And then the white lily cornmeal mix for the cornmeal, for the cornbread. Okay, what we're going to do now, I showed you what this is. Now, strawberries. And we're going to be right back because I don't have all the ingredients out. Alright, what we need is a cup of water and the remaining of the strawberries, a stick of butter, and then we're going to add cornstarch to it when it starts getting bubbly. So we're going to put it on the stove and let it get bubbly, and we'll let it boil down a little bit, and then we'll show you what it looks like when you get ready to put the cornstarch in. Okay, as you see, we have our strawberries and the syrup and the butter melted already. So what we're going to do now is add another little package of Kool-Aid, y'all. Yes, indeed. Y'all be saying, now where should you get these recipes from? Because when you cook, you have an idea. And when you get an idea, look what it does. Look how weird that look. An idea, y'all. An idea. So you cook it as much as you want. And if you want it to be whole with the strawberries, you can cook it like that. And you can cut the strawberries up like this to make some little scragglers, I call it, in your cake, like little pieces. You can do that like that. Now, what I'm going to do now, I think this is cooked enough for me. So what I'm going to do now is add some cornstarch. But I'll be right back and show you how to do that. Okay, now you're going to add a cornstarch slurry to make it thick. This is almost like making strawberry reserve. See how thick they're getting? Save a little money, y'all, by doing it just like this. Now it depends on how thick you are and the self-rising cornmeal inside this. I will give you the recipe for this on soulfoodqueen.net. Okay, what we're doing now is stirring this up, and we need to get some milk. You can use buttermilk, or you can use sweet milk, any milk you desire you want to use. And then we're going to add 1 egg, just like that. I'm going to beat it up, and then we're going to add some butter. Yes, I'm going to put a stick of butter in here and beat this all up. And stir it up like this and get it all ready, y'all. Get it all ready for our strawberry country cornbread. Now this was left over. This was left over from my strawberry cake. Instead of throwing it away, didn't know what to do with it. So hey, strawberry cornbread would be perfect for this. Yes, indeed. So this is what we're gonna do with this. I'm gonna blend this together. I'm gonna add some more milk. I'm gonna make it kind of thick, not too runny, because we want it thick. just like that. And then we're going to make sure that it's all blended together good. And we'll add some oil. You always add oil to keep it from being dry. About that much ought to do it, y'all. Keep it from being dry. And then we're going to put it in a square muffin pan, because this is ready. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Ooh, that's going to be some good cornbread. Y'all got butter in it, and it's sweet, and what more you want. We'll be right back to show you what we do with this next. All right, we're going to get ready to put our mixture. See how it rised up? Ooh, that's what you want, y'all. We're going to add our cornbread mixture in these square pans, just like this. This is a treat, y'all. Y'all come to the table with a different little cornbread, strawberry cornbread. Baby, let me want to say, where in the world we got an idea like that? See, I got it for Sandra on soulfoodqueen.net. You know, she'll miss y'all. She ain't professional, but she sure be making some stuff. That's me, y'all. So we're going to put this all together in this, because the bread is already going to be sweet, because the topping that I use for my birthday cake is in this. I always find some ways of doing things, because back in the days, we didn't have a lot of money. We had to do what we had to do, make a meal. And we made some good meals. Mama came to the table with some different stuff, and that gave me initiative to do my family the same way. It's a tradition that goes all the way from the back and up to the front. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I like doing. I like to giving people something that's meaningful, something with love and understanding and how things really, really are. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven and let them get bubbly golden brown. And we'll be right back and let you see what it look like, y'all.